Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I've got something really exciting to unbox and share with you all. It's the brand new Jabra Elite 7 True Wireless Earbuds. I've been eagerly waiting to get my hands on these, and today is the day. Before we dive into the unboxing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of my upcoming tech reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at the Jabra Elite 7 box. As you can see, the packaging looks sleek and modern, with an image of the earbuds on the front and some key features listed on the back. Alright, it's time to open this up and see what's inside. Upon opening the box, we're greeted with the Jabra Elite 7 charging case right on top. It looks compact and stylish. Let me take it out and give you a closer look. The charging case has a premium feel to it and features a USB-C port for charging in some. Now, let's move on to the star of the show, the Jabra Elite 7 earbuds themselves. Here they are, the Jabra Elite 7 earbuds. They look sleek and minimalistic. I can't wait to try them out and see how they sound. In addition to the earbuds and the charging case, we also have some accessories like different sized ear tips and a USB-C charging cable. Before I wrap up this unboxing, let's talk about some of the key features of the Jabra Elite 7 and my first impressions. These earbuds promise exceptional sound quality, excellent call performance, and long battery life. I'll be testing all of these in my upcoming review, so stay tuned for that. That's it for today's unboxing of the Jabra Elite 7. I'm really excited to put these to the test. A little comparison with AirPods Pro. That's it for today's unboxing of the Jabra Elite 7. I'm really excited to put these to the test and share my thoughts with you all. If you have any questions or specific things you'd like to see in my review, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for watching, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.